Welcome to the demonstration of 32Soft's Fixed Assets Data Loader. This data loader has been designed especially for QAD finance users who manage a large number of fixed assets in the 32.3 menu. You'll find this efficient and productive tool allows you to download existing fixed asset records into an Excel spreadsheet where you can make changes and additions and upload back into QAD quickly and safely. Let's take a look at how the Fixed Assets Data Loader can help you manage your fixed assets with greater efficiency and accuracy. When we open the data loader, we see a familiar Excel spreadsheet with the addition of the Data Loader banner. The banner includes filtering options and action buttons, which allow us to download data from and upload data to QAD. To get started, we must first select the correct database. We click the Setup button to find the appropriate database and select it. We can set up as many databases here as needed. Since this is a standard Excel spreadsheet, we have all the functionality of Excel, so we can copy and paste information from one place to another. Let's copy data from an existing spreadsheet that contains fixed assets into our data loader spreadsheet. We can also enter data manually, so let's go ahead and do that as well. If the Post to GL field is set to Yes and there is a valid date entered into the effective date field during the upload of the assets, the loader also generates corresponding FA transactions in the general ledger. Once we review the data, we can click on the Add button to upload our data into QAD. As soon as we select any of the action buttons for the first time, a login screen appears. As with all 32Soft data loaders, the Fixed Assets Data Loader uses genuine QAD authentication logic to validate user ID and password. This loader validates that the user has access to menu 32.3. Let's log in. A pop-up screen displays the status of the upload and will indicate if the upload is successful or if our data contains any errors. The loader validates data in the cells against QAD logic and will return an error message if inaccurate data is submitted, as in this case. When we encounter an error, we simply close the status window and correct the error before attempting to upload the data again. We can use the Find Error button to find and fix all errors in the file. Cells that contain errors are highlighted in red. When we place the cursor in the cell, the reason for the error is displayed. Again, we must correct all errors before resubmitting our data. Let's try to find the next error and fix it. Let's see if there's another error. There are no more errors, so let's try to upload again. This time the upload is successful, so we can close the status window. Now let's download fixed asset records from QAD and change the override depreciation for some of them. The fields in the header highlighted in yellow allow us to filter records by asset, class, and location ranges. If we leave filter fields open, the data loader will download all fixed asset records. Once the filter parameters have been entered, we can select the Download button. The data is downloaded, and we now see all records that match our search criteria. Let's change the override amount and override date for a few of the entries. We fill in the override amount and the override date only on the lines we want to update. For those we do not want to update, we can simply leave these fields blank, or we can delete any lines we are not changing from the spreadsheet. Once we have reviewed our data, we can hit the Override button, and the loader will now upload the data into QAD. Since the loader updates the data into QAD in real time, we can download fixed assets again to verify that the information was uploaded in QAD, or we can go into QAD and check manually. And we can see all information was uploaded successfully to QAD. Please note that the override amount and override date will also be updated when we add new records if those fields are populated. As demonstrated, this is a helpful productivity tool that allows you to manage a large number of fixed asset records in easy-to-use Excel spreadsheets and upload the data safely to QAD. 32Soft's Fixed Assets Data Loader will increase your productivity, reduce errors, and significantly contribute to your bottom line. For more information about this and other productivity tools, or to start your free 60-day trial, email us at contact@32soft.com. And please be sure to visit our website to sign up for our free educational webinars, www.32soft.com. Thank you for your interest in our productivity tools and for watching this demonstration.